comparison video. My K&N Typhoon intake, so to speak, so they call it. I think it's shit, but I got the stock airbox. I sourced it. It's back home. Got a drop-in dry filter, so I'm going to reinstall that, and I'm going to remove this K&N because I don't like it. I think it's restricting flow because of the smaller diameter tubing. I don't like it. It's so damn expensive too right nowadays. I mean, I bought it a long time ago, but nah, I knew something was up the first time when I opened it. I'm like, what the hell? Such a small diameter tubing. I mean, the stock tube itself, the intake tube, is bigger than this K&N tube. I don't get it. So why the hell am I going to use it? And it's just a heat box because it's an open filter design. So I might as well do the airbox, the Honda airbox mod. Drop in a dry flow, a K&N type filter, and use the stock airbox. And I'll be doing another video comparing the two here with the throttle response and these, which I'm gonna. So, it'll give me a nice little video to compare the two. Right now, I'm just cruising. I'm not blasting around. I don't want to be drawing attention. Should have got rid of the K&N a long time ago. It does nothing. I mean, I don't think it does any sound enhancement at all. Like, I bet you the stock airbox will actually give it more of a rumble than this thing. This thing, when it's hot out, like right now it's cool. I think it's about 18 or so, but when it's really hot out, 33, 34, I can just feel the idle it affects it. You know, all the hot air gets sucked in and then it starts idling weird. It's either dipping idle or I don't get surges, but it dips. It feels weird, like it's gonna stall. So I'm trying to change things to react with the behavior or something, you know, just to see what the behavior is gonna be. Like a study. Also, at the same time, I have a leak in my Type R downpipe. We have a leak. Highly recommend to get a smoke machine because, man, you can find anything. This is so cool. Now I've confirmed there is a leak on my Type R header's flex pipe. See the smoke. addressed. I don't know if that actually is interfering with the idle as well. Extra air is not needed. Even when you hit the gas, you can hear the little sucking of air that, you know, it's not the intake. I don't think it's the intake. There's an exhaust leak, there's a leak, and I verified it with a smoke machine. Yep. Actually, you'll see in my other video a short of this that I did. My shorts video. So you'll be able to see that. Issues for a while. I think my car was always pulling to the right, and I kind of knew it was something. I thought maybe it's the brake caliper. And sure enough, it was the right side brake caliper. I should have just changed it a long time ago. I did alignment. It's still pulling to the right. What the hell? I changed almost everything on here. I'm almost thinking it was the rack, maybe a bad rack or something. Now it drives pretty good. I know I have tire issues because I was driving on these Continentals for a couple of years without an alignment, so I must have screwed it up somehow. I know I have a bad one in the back left. So when you hit the gas, you can feel it pull to the left, and you let go, and it goes back to neutral, right? So I know there's bad tires, very, very slight shimmy. Last week I was getting a really bad shimmy because I had the wheel in the front. So I'm like, what the hell's going on? It turned out it was a leaky valve, the same tire I moved to the back. Leaky valve and rim leak. So I just got that fixed. So I'm just kind of testing that out as well on this ride. Drives fairly straight now.